Hi there, today we are going to talk about something super important, how to backup your WordPress website for free. I know the word backup might sound a little technical or scary, but don't worry, I will keep it simple. So let's get started. So first of all, let's understand why you need a backup. Imagine you spent hours designing your website, adding blog posts, maybe even setting up online store, and then Monday something goes wrong. Maybe your site gets hacked or a plugin crashes everything. Without a backup, you could lose all your hard work. So backing up is just like saving a copy of your website. So install a free backup plugin. The easiest way to backup your WordPress website is using a plugin. So let's go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to the plugins and click on add new. In the search bar, type UpdraftPlus. This is one of the most popular free backup plugin. Once you find it, click install now, then activate. That's it. The plugin is now activated. Now let's set it up. After activating, you will see an extra option in sidebar Updraft Plus. Just click here. Here you will see the main dashboard of the plugin. Click on the big blue button that says backup now. It will ask you if you want to include your database and files. Just leave both boxes checked and click backup now again. Your backup is now being created. Once your backup is ready, you can manually download each file one by one and keep them saved with you. For example, if I click on database section, you will see a download option at the top. Just click on it and download will start. In the same way, click on plugins and you will see download option again at the top. Click it and it will download too. Do this for all the sections one by one and save all the backup files in a folder or your computer or drive. Now let's say by chance your website crashes or something goes wrong. No worries, you can restore your website using the backup. It's very easy. Just install the WordPress plugin again and open its dashboard. Here you will see the upload backup option. Click on it and upload your saved backup files. Once they are uploaded, they will appear here just like you see now. After that, click on restore. A few options will pop up. Just check all of them and click next. Click next again. Now you will see that your website is being restored and within a few seconds your website will be just like it was before. So now our backup is complete and we were back up on the dashboard. This way you can easily backup your website and restore it anytime using your saved files. Now you might be thinking, if I restore the backup, will it create duplicate files? No, it will not. The plugin automatically removes the old files and does not create any duplicate files. I hope everything is clear now. See you in the next video. Goodbye.